once you have gotten my approval to sew, we're going to sew this little 1/4 inch seam that we had folded down. Now if you look at your directions, it tells you exactly what to do. It says to do a zigzag along the folded edges. You're going to do a medium zigzag, back stitch, and stitch down the folded edge. So you want to put it on a medium zigzag, which is one of the two in the middle, stitch length 2, and then we're ready to stitch down the middle. Now what I do is just put the slit of the presser foot right down the middle of this fold, and you're going to do a couple of stitches, reverse, and then you're going to go all the way down. Now you could sew over your pins or take them out as you go. So I'm just going to go ahead and take them out as I go. And of course you'll want to sew a little bit slower than this. And when you get to the end, you don't want to forget to backstitch, which is going to knot your fabric. So just like we practiced, you raise your needle, you take it out, and go ahead and trim it. Okay, now the next step, what you're going to do is step number 4. Turn the zigzagged edge towards the pretty side of the hemline. So if you look on this, this is the hemline that we traced with our tracing paper, and you're going to turn that to the pretty side. It's going to look funny, but that's okay. And that's about 1 inch. And I'm going to just put 2 pins in. I'm going to put a pin in here. Then I'm going to put in a pin on this end. And that, again, is folded along that dotted line. And then, if you come over here with me, we're going to press that all the way across. Now, at this point, you will get my approval again to do your next stitch, which is a little different than you probably think is going to happen. So make sure you watch the next video.